Hi, this is Ashton, and we're going to learn how to check for Turnitin integration in Canvas and enable it on assignments. You're going to go to Assignments, and we want to click the plus assignment. We're going to give our assignment a name, and then we're going to go down to find Submission Type. Here you have External Tool. You want to click and find and look for Turnitin or Turnitin LTI. Turnitin may not be available in your Canvas account, and so you may need to contact your institution support team to confirm. You're going to click Cancel if the Turnitin isn't found and save assignment as usual.